Hi, Bam. Bam,
Teacher,
how are you, Bam? It's so nice to see you again. Oh, you're eating noodles. Enjoy eating. Is that your breakfast?
yeah,
Are you eating just noodles for breakfast, Bam? Okay, can you tell me who cooked it?
nope, I buy.
Oh, you
My
bought
mom
it?
buy.
Oh, your mom bought it. Okay, enjoy eating. Where did you go before our class? Did you go for a swim?
No,
No, you did not.
I
Okay.
go to the swimming pool.
Oh, you went to the swimming pool. I see. Okay, so I believe you went there for a swim. I think you still have your swimming class, Bum. Okay, now let me
Yes,
share my screen. And for today, before we continue the lesson, we'll have your homework first. Okay, so in here, let me download it first, Bum, for a moment. Do you have any plans today? What will you do maybe in the afternoon?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't have any plans? Okay. How's the weather in Way? How's the weather in your place, Bomb? Is it sunny, rainy, windy? Bomb?
It is normal. It is cold and hot.
Oh, cold and hot?
Yes,
Okay. So I believe it is. Though it is sunny, it is windy as well.
yes,
Did it rain? Did it rain?
no.
Okay. Well, that's good to know. So now we'll have the first one. Okay, can you answer the first one? Bomb, we watched.
We watch program called. Wait a minute.
Okay, just take your time, Bomb. That's fine.
We program called Hot Talk. Um, on CNN because were interesting of.
We are interested of politics.
Yes,
Okay, thank you so much for that, Bomb. However, the fixed phrase right here, Bomb, would
because I
be.
don't know.
Oh,
Because I don't know hot talk. No, CNN and uh, I don't know this one.
okay, so now when we say CNN, Bomb, that is a TV channel. Okay, it is a TV channel. So when we're talking about communication ways of communication, Bomb, we are always going to use on, right? Like for example, on Zoom, on Facebook, on TikTok. Okay, so as in here on CNN, which is correct, you answered on. However, for the second one, Bomb, it should always be interested in. Okay? Not
Okay.
interested of. That is the fixed phrase. Okay? Interested in. So the correct answer would be C. Now, what about for the second one?
Who child? Who children? Who child? Um, who
Who
child?
child?
Who child is playing in our yard.
Okay. Whose child is playing in our yard? Okay, can you tell me what is your answer, Bob? Since we have two who's here. Okay. Is it A or B?
I. Who's?
Are you sure?
No, wait a minute. I.
It's B. Because who
Wait a
is
minute. Oh yes, B. It's B. It's B
okay.
because
Yeah.
who's?
Okay, yes, because who's right here, that is the contraction of who is. So we can say who is child is playing, right? So it's whose child is playing in our yard. Okay, now what about the next one, Bob?
Next one. It is who's. No, wait a minute. Oh yeah. It is.
Blank, are you doing under the trees?
What are you doing under the trees? I'm looking for my keys.
Okay, very good. It is the great job. Okay, trying to find my keys. Now, what about for the next one?
Next one.
Okay, blank her hair.
Her hair is blue,
Blonder.
blonder than yours.
Okay, very good. Her hair is blonder than yours. Okay, next one, Bomb.
Okay. Who's is hiding behind my car?
So, what is your answer? Is it A?
A.
Now, why would you say whose
No.
is?
Wait a minute.
Okay.
Who's? Who is hiding behind my car?
Okay, very good. Who is hiding behind my car? It's C. Next one,
I am studying English.
I am studying English.
Oh, I am studying English.
Okay, yes, studying present continuous. Okay, next one.
Next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. She wears jeans.
She wears jeans. Are you sure?
Yes. Wait, no. Wearing.
Okay, yeah, she is wearing. Again, after is or am, we are going to use the gerund ing. So it's she is wearing. Now, next one, Bomb.
Next one. Okay.
I am
Hey, I am playing tennis.
okay, very good. There you have it. Playing. Next one, we are not.
We are not. Wait a minute. I think we. We are not. We are not. What?
We are not when.
We are what? We are not go.
We are not go.
No, wait a minute. We are not
Present continuous, Bomb.
going.
Present continuous. Okay, yes,
Going.
it's Going. Okay, present continuous, but this time it is a negative sentence. We are not going outside. Now, what about for the next one? Where are you?
Where are you going?
Okay, very good. Next, are you?
Are you having
Continue, Bomb.
are you having
A good time? Yes, we.
are having a good time? Are having a good time? Yes, we we do.
Is it yes, we do? Does the question start with
We
do?
is. Oh, wait a
We.
minute. We is.
Are you sure? When
Hmm.
we say is,
We
Bomb,
are.
that
We
is
are. Because
okay. It's
because it is a lot.
mm-hmm. Exactly, Bomb. And our question starts with R. Are you having a good time? Yes, we are. Okay.
Because I think this is half, and we need to find half.
Okay, I see. That is why. So we will not use have because we'll only use have and haven't if the question word starts with have. Have you eaten? Yes, I have. Okay, but in here it's are you having? Okay, so yes, we are. No, we aren't. Okay, next one, Bomb.
I come from Sponge,
Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Okay, yes, it's I come. This is present simple for facts. Okay, now is my English.
I know. It is my English. It is my English class. No what? It is my English. Hmm, it's my English getting better.
Okay, very good. Is my English getting bit better? Now, next one, Bomb.
That's all. Okay.
Mm-hmm. James.
Um, James. 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 Aunt. No.
James.
James.
Seeing, see or saw.
Oh. See her friends tonight.
James. Mhm. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm
It is a
sure.
future arrangement, Bomb. It's a future arrangement. So we will use present continuous here.
Oh,
Jane's
okay.
seeing.
Oh, because it's the present person.
Okay, because Jane's right here, it means Jane is, right?
Yes.
Jane is. And after is, Bomb, we will use the ing. Jane is seeing her friend tonight. Okay. Now, what about
Okay.
this? He
He. Hmm. He walked. Walk. Walked. He walked. Hey.
Oh, he working, eh?
Yes,
For
he
us,
walking.
For
No,
us to use working, we need
no,
is
no,
our
no, no. Yes, because that's what I'm use
present simple, Bam. Present simple.
symbol. Okay.
He,
Hmm.
you can do it. It's okay.
Okay. Uh,
He,
you. Whoa.
be.
Yes,
Are you sure now?
I sure.
Now the correct answer is C, Bomb. He works as a store clerk in a bank. Our subject is he. And remember, if our subject is singular, like he, she, and it, we are going to add S or ES to the verb, right? Just like in here, it
Yes,
works.
right.
Okay, so it's C. Now, what about for this? Why are you
Why are you wearing a shirt?
very good? Why are you wearing a suit? You usually wear jeans. Okay, now next one. Last one. I read.
I read. I read. I read at better. I read in better. I read to better. I read in the better. I read in better. I read at better.
Is it bedtime? No, not bedtime. It's
Oh,
just bed.
bed.
Is it? I read at bed.
No, I read. I read into. I read under bed.
Under bed. Okay. So when
No,
we
no,
say
no. I read. I read. Okay. Hold on, wait.
okay. Okay. Take
I
your time.
read to. I read to bed.
I read to bed. Now, the
Yeah.
correct answer here, Bomb, is the last one or the only one you weren't able to mention. I read in bed. This is the fixed English expression, Bomb, that
Was
means
it in bed? Was it in bed when you said wrong?
no, you said I read at bed and you said I read to bed and you said I read under bed. You never said I read in bed.
And first one I said read at bed, and then I said wrong, and I said read in bed, and then I said wrong.
How did you say I read in bed? No, I did not hear
Yes.
it. I'm sorry, Bomb. Okay, the correct answer here is in because it means when we say I read in bed, it means that you are lying in bed, Bomb, usually maybe resting or doing something while lying down. Okay? I read in bed. Okay?
Okay.
So, thank you so much. Are you done eating, Bomb?
Nope.
Oh no, you're not. Okay, wait. Let me share my screen again, and we will go to your book.
Wait a minute. I go into the.
Okay.
Okay, finish.
Okay, so now let us have exercise 3 more vocabulary. What is
Yes.
fiction, Bang?
Fiction.
Mm-hmm.
Fiction. It means um like this.
Like,
Like we are. No. Wait a minute. Wait.
okay.
Fiction. Hmm. The first one. The first one or the second one. It means like a field.
What about
It
the
is
film,
like a
Bang?
field.
What about it?
like this film, like
The film
like
is?
the film is very fantastic. It is very funny.
The film is very funny. Now, when we say the film is very funny, mom, that is a comedy. Okay, however, when we say fiction, it could be um a writing that is about people and things that are not real. So they are imaginary
Oh,
situations.
like science fiction.
Yes, that is right. Science fiction, that is, those are just imaginary situations. They don't exist in real life. They don't happen.
Yes.
Okay, now what about nonfiction?
Huh?
Nonfiction.
Non-fiction, it means it is real.
Very good. It is the opposite of fiction, which talks about real people and things that are intended to inform. What about horror?
Okay.
Horror.
What about what?
Horror.
Horror means like a fear, but it is like someone is dead or the ghost. It is.
Okay, yes, it is a scary film that is meant to make us feel afraid or scared. Okay, do you like watching horror films, Bob? Or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do.
No,
Are
no,
you not scared?
no. I'm scared.
Oh, you are scared. Why? Okay, next one, science fiction, the one you've mentioned.
Oh, science fiction. It means like science but fiction.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Science
it
but
means
fiction.
like science, like the science and fiction. And then wait. Okay. Science fiction. It means like science makes something it is not real, like a potion.
Oh, okay, thank you so much for that, Mom. So, yeah, when we say science fiction, it is a type of story that is based on imaginary future discoveries or inventions. Like, for examples, robots ruling the world. Okay, so that is science fiction. Now, what about fantasy?
Fantasy.
Mm-hmm.
Fantasy. It means like um like it is a fantastic film.
Thank you so
A
much, Mom.
fantastic.
Yes. Okay, so when we say fantasy, Mom, these are the type of stories or movies that
Yes.
involves magic, adventure, and
Magic
imaginary
and Harry
world.
Potter's.
Yes, like Harry Potter, and it is still fiction. Okay, not
Yes.
real, of course. Okay, next one, romance.
Romance. It means like a film too.
Okay, about what?
About about things about funny things.
About funny things? No, not funny things. That is comedy.
Or comedy. It
Romance.
means like a feel. It means like a feel and someone loves someone.
Okay, very good. It's all about love and relationship. Okay, romance. That is it. It's all about love. Two people loving each other. What about thriller? Thriller.
Thriller.
Mm-hmm.
Thriller. Thriller. It means like um mm, wait a minute, I forgot. Thriller. I don't remember.
Okay, so when we say thriller, Bomb, it is a type of story that is intended to make people feel excited or feel fearful because it's full of suspense. Okay, thriller. Wait, let me translate it for you. Thriller.
Okay.
Okay, that one, Bob. Now, last one we have adventure.
Adventures.
What is it?
Adventures, it means like we are on adventures, like we want to go like this.
To go
We
where?
go to some thing or some no, it's not something. But when we like this, we go to a forest to be a camp like this.
To camp?
No,
To discover new?
literature or what? I don't know.
Okay, yes, that is right, Mom. So, when we say adventure, these are experiences that are not normal, but yes, they are
Yes, but
exciting. At the same
sometimes
time,
it's real.
dangerous.
But sometimes
Yes.
it's real.
Yeah, it is
Like
sometimes real.
some, yes, but sometimes it's fake. It
Yes.
is sometimes. It's
Yeah,
not
sometimes
always
it's fiction.
it's not always real.
Okay, yes, it depends on the story. That is right, Bom. Thank you so much for making a point. Okay, so I believe that would be all it for our class. So you can continue doing whatever you're doing there, Bom, and enjoy eating. Okay, goodbye. Stay safe. See you on Monday, Bom. Goodbye, Bom.
Goodbye, teacher.